Hi buddies, welcome back, it's Anne-Sophie, and today I'm going to show you how you can screen record on your Huawei Mate X3. For that, you want to go to your drop-down menu, scroll down here, and then click on Screen Recorder. And then we get some information here. When you start a screen recording, all content on the and operations on the screen will be recorded in video form. This feature requires 2 permissions. You can revoke them at any time in Settings, App and Services, and Apps. Microphone, touch here to turn the microphone on or off, and media and files. This is used to store screen recordings. Agree. And now we have the microphone here. Now it's not recording my voice, now it is. And we have the, timer here. We can also say to disable or enable the show touches. So right now, if I swipe, you can see my touches. So where I set my finger, we'll stop this right now and then we'll click on it. We have this here. We can also say edit the video or delete it or share. So that's how you can do a screen recording on your Huawei Mate X3. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.